Fitness treadmill are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and price. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put a list of the best fitness treadmill from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive research, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 5. Xterra Fitness Folding Treadmill. Xterra Fitness Folding Treadmill Black. This is the best product. Let's know about the product details. Large 20 inches by 55 inches walking/running surface accommodates users of many sizes and stride lengths. Intuitive 5.5-inch blue backlit LCD display is easy to read and keeps you updated on speed, incline, time, distance, calories, and pulse. 24 preset programs, heart rate control, and manual program offer unmatched variety for your workouts. Lift assist and safe drop folding deck technology makes setup and storage safe and easy. Handlebar mounted speed and incline controls provide you with a secondary location to change your workout intensity. They are right where you need them for a comfortable and secure workout. Number 4. Sunny Health Fitness Folding Treadmill. Sunny Health and Fitness Folding Incline Treadmill SFT 4400. This is the best product. Let's know about the product details. 2.20 peak HP drive system provides speeds of 0.5 to 9 miles per hour along with 3 manual options for adjusting recline levels, 0%, 2%, 4.37%. Designed for a max user weight of 220 pounds, with 49L x 15.5 W inches of running surface. Easy folding mechanism and soft drop system helps you unfold your treadmill safely and hands-free. Handrail controls allow you to control speed, start and stop. Pause function, press the stop button once to stop the belt and pause your run while keeping your current data and running stats intact. 9 built-in workout programs with large LCD displays time, distance, speed, calories burned and pulse. Convenient smartphone/tablet holder is included to fit different devices. Number 3. Bowflex Treadmill. Bowflex Treadmill. This is the best product. Let's know about the product details. Includes 1-year JRNY membership, $149 value. The JRNY experience assesses your fitness level, creates custom workouts personalized to your unique capabilities, and provides coaching and feedback that guides you through your workouts, all from the built-in touchscreen. JRNY membership required. Watch your Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and Amazon Prime Video accounts on the 7-inch touchscreen while you work out. Streaming service provider subscriptions not included. JRNY membership required to access streaming service provider apps on console. Explore destinations around the world and discover 50+ global routes that auto-adjust in real time to your speed. JRNY membership required. 7-inch HD touchscreen, Wi-Fi connection required. Motorized incline to 15%. 20-inch by 60-inch running path with Comfort Tech deck cushioning and speed up to 12 miles per hour. Bluetooth wireless armband included and powerful Bluetooth speakers. Soft drop folding technology safely lowers the deck from the raised position. Assembled dimensions are 85-inch L x 36.5 W x 55.5 H and weighs 280 pounds. Number 2. Xterra Fitness TRX 4500 Treadmill. Xterra Fitness TRX 4500 Treadmill. This is the best product. Let's know about the product details. Smooth and powerful Xterra high torque 3.25 HP motor. Reader-friendly 7.5-inch bright blue backlit LCD clearly displays program profile, time, speed, pace, distance, calories, incline, and pulse. Motivating programs include 30 preset, 2 custom, 1 heart rate control, and manual options. Handlebar mounted speed and incline controls. Number 1. Schwinn Fitness 810 Treadmill. Schwinn Fitness 810 Treadmill. This is the best product. Let's know about the product details. Explore destinations around the world and discover 50+ global routes that auto-adjust in real time to your speed. Explore the world subscription required. Blue backlit LCD display features 16 workout programs and 2 user profiles. 10% motorized incline. 20-inch by 55-inch running path with soft track cushioning system for a smooth run. Speed up to 10 miles per hour. Integrated heart rate contact grips. Soft drop folding technology provides a gentle descent and rolls away for easy storage. Charging USB port to keep phones, tablet or music players at full battery life. Maximum user weight is 275 pounds. Warranty is 10 years motor and frame, 1 year mechanical and electrical, and 1 year labor. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and don't forget to comment below. Check out the description and first comment to find the product links. Thank you so much for visiting my Gadget Guide channel.